Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, by the way, if you want to see where the fuse and the relay for the engine starter is located, we'll have that information on the channel. In addition, we have video about every single fuse, every single relay. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find it. Let's say fuel pump, fuse, relay. Check out the video. 1 minute later, you replace it, you're back on the road, guys. So the starter, where it's located, check this thing out, guys. This is the engine. We got it out so you can clearly see details, right? It's on the driver's side, under the exhaust, right here. Now the starter itself, okay, let me show you now. We'll have a wire right here that you will disconnect, and here we have one nut here with a 13mm usually that you remove and you disconnect it. But before we do that, you need to make sure the car battery is disconnected, because this is a positive wire. If it touches anywhere on the engine, it can burn modules, computers, and cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. In addition, guys, something else, guys. Okay, if you do not know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, it can cause damages as well. So we'll have video on our channel that will teach you which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. On the back side, towards the transmission side, guys, check this thing out. This is the first, okay, the first right here bolt that we need to pre-loosen with 15mm socket. Okay, so let me see if we can pre-loosen this one. Okay, and this one is coming loose. Okay, practically it might be even going by hand. That's how loose it got. Okay, not by hand, but it's loose. The next one is right behind it, guys, and we're talking underneath it, right there by the transmission lines. So we'll go ahead, okay, get that one loose. Now I'm going to get the impact with a little bit, impact. It should be enough, guys, okay, to be able to remove it. I'll get the 15mm and let me see if I can undo them quick. We need to hold it with one hand. Okay, check this thing out. It's coming loose now. We should have gotten more light here so we can clearly see things. Now the second one, guys, comes right here on the bottom. The starter comes loose. Okay, and now you have the battery disconnected, cables disconnected, remove the two bolts, and now all we have to do, pull it out, guys. Okay, check this thing out. So this is, guys, the engine starter. Now here, that's the battery going to the car battery. That you have one nut. You need to pre-loosen the nut, remove the cable, and this one is just a click type of plug-in, so you just disconnect it, guys. But if you want to see the symptoms of bad starter, how to test engine starter, we have videos on our YouTube channels, guys. Okay, that will teach you how to do that step by step. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.